Great. Welcome to GPR. We're relaunching our YouTube channel. As you can probably guess, we're based at Silverstone Circuit. Come on in and let's have a look. This is the start of Grand Prix Racewear Showroom. GPR's brand has been going since 1987 and has had some iconic stars like Lewis Hamilton in the showroom to date. I'm Kayls.
And I'm Josh. So this is our karting section.
We have various brands containing Alpine Stars, Sparko, OMP, and many more. Basically a lot of everything.
Everything you need, we've got it.
We're going to take you through the showroom, show you a bit about the showroom, where it started and how it's going. So we have all of our brands here, OMP. We just passed Sparko and we're coming up to Alpine Star.
Pretty much that about covers it for downstairs. Should we head upstairs?
Yeah, let's go upstairs.
Let's go.
In 1987, David Kennedy, ex-Formula 1 driver, launched Grand Prix Racewear down in London alongside his wife Fiona.
And in 1994, it was taken over by Ray Bellum, who at the time was the chairman of the BRDC.
2008, Zipcart's Martin Hines launched Grand Prix Racewear here at Silverstone. He also nurtured talent like Lewis Hamilton and done very well in doing so.
And in 2018, it was taken over by its current owner, Anthony Cheshire, who said at the time it was such a well-known brand in Silverstone, he couldn't pass up the opportunity.
Anthony's just behind this wall here, but he's just a little camera shy. Wait. Here upstairs, you'll find all of our racewear.
It's a similar story to downstairs with all the brands that we have on offer.
It's all fire retardant and comes in various sizes and colours.
Let's head to the warehouse.
Let's go. Through here, we have our dressing room where people can try suits, boots, gloves, anything they want on.
So this is our warehouse where we keep all of our stock. Kayls, where have you gone?
Sorry, I was helping Will with the warehouse. Right, let's go look at our studio. This is our 2026 studio.
Welcome to GPR. Right, we are rolling.
So what we're saying? We're delighted to announce that GPR Moto is now live.
And today we're going to talk about some of our Talaria e-bikes.
Let's go check it out. The Talaria Sting Pro is one of the highest performance off-road bikes.
It comes with a 72 volt, 40 amp hour lithium ion battery.
It has a top speed up to 56 miles per hour.
And a peak power output of about 13 kilowatts.
The wheels are 19-inch front and rear.
And this specific model has the upgraded hydraulic disc brakes front and rear.
What do you think of it yourself, Josh?
I think it's pretty cool. I'd love one.
Yeah, I think it would be rapid, to be fair.
it would be rapid.
Yeah.
Right then, we've got the brand new Talaria Sting Pro 72 volts. We've both had a chance to check it out. So, first impressions.
Honestly, I have noticed the power. I think it's a fabulous bike to step up to compared to the 60 volt bike, and it gives a lot more power delivery.
Yeah. That's probably one of the biggest questions people might have is, can you actually feel the difference between the old one?
I would say definitely. I say the acceleration's much stronger and it carries a lot more power, really.
So, in your words, what do you think this bike is actually for?
If you were going to electric bikes or looking to upgrade, this is a great option. And you know, if you're looking for maximum performance, this is the one to look at.
Yeah. And ride-wise, what do you think it's like, riding-wise?
The suspension, the smoothness of the drive, I would say, you know, all in one package, the speed, everything put together, I think this would definitely be the bike to look at to, you know, get your hands on and, you know, give it that full kind of go on as a rider, really.
Did that surprise you with the bike at all, or was there anything that sort of caught you off guard a little bit with it, do you think?
I think the look of the bike, I think it looks really impressive. I think, you know, the graphics on the bike, it, you know, has it in red where the Talaria, with the graphics. I think, you know, in overall, the look of the bike is incredible.
And feature-wise, this bike is packed out with features. What would you say your favourite feature is?
I would say probably the extra performance. You know, the throttle is definitely not hard to make you smile when you get on this bike, 100%.
Yeah, definitely. And last question, if you were going to buy one of these today, which one would you buy? Would you go with the 72 volt one?
If I was to go for one of the bikes, whether it be a 60 volt or a 72 volt. Obviously the 72 volt is going to catch the eye, isn't it? It's a lot more power. The suspension is, you know, a bit better. It's just going to be an overall better bike.
So there you have it, the brand new Talaria Sting Pro. If you have any questions, feel free to just drop them in the comments below.
Or even if you want to pop into the showroom, have a look at it for yourself and see how good it is in person. We also offer a huge range of the Talaria bikes, including the X3 Mini for kids.
And we do actually have some offers on the bikes at the moment, so why don't you head over to the website at gprdirect.com and check it out for yourself.
Thank you all for watching. We have a lot of exciting things coming up, so stay tuned to our socials and our YouTube channel. But one thing in particular, Josh, is...
Rally Nuts. Yes, Rally Nuts, we're relaunching it. So keep an eye out. There'll be a few things going out here and there. Some exciting news to come.
Exactly that. Stay fast, stay safe.
And keep the shiny side up.
Welcome back. This is GPR.
To somehow pretend that he is my service dog. Because we want to take him to racetracks.
You want to go everywhere. Hi.
He's been with us everywhere for the last 10 years.
Yeah. Thank you all for watching. We've got a lot of exciting things. I swear to God, like what? What? Ba. Coo.
What?
You know the the sound of a car, like of a boy racer car. Ba. Coo. No, okay.
No, that's good. That's...
Right, okay.
You've completely
Is it
forgotten
what?
we
Yeah, I
needed
know.
to say.
What is it? Thank you all for watching. Was it?
Thank you all for watching.
Thank you all for watching. Sorry, I forgot to cut. Sorry, I'll do it again.